Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Future Tech with Navdeep. In this video, I'm going to explain you what is Apache Hudi and how it is different from other file system and file formats such as S3 and HDFS. So before I get started with this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see what is Apache Hudi. So guys, in big data ecosystem, traditional file system and the file formats such as S3 and HDFS have always had one major limitation, that they are immutable. So what does that mean? It means once the data is written, we can't update the data without significant efforts. So here comes our own Apache Hudi. So it's not just any other file system. It is a game changer. It brings the database functionality to big data by enabling updates and deletes with ease. So Apache Hudi is designed for both batch and stream workload. But guys, that's not all. Apache Hudi comes with the features that once were the dreams of data engineers. So the first feature is, with Apache Hudi, we get incremental processing, which means only the data that has been changed since last time will be processed, not the entire data set. So this will speed up our data pipeline to a great extent. Second important feature is the snapshot isolation, which means the user will always see the updated view of data, ensuring a stable and consistent view. So guys, let's not forget about the transaction support. The Apache Hudi also comes with ACID property, ensuring the atomicity, consistency, integrity and durability of your data that was missing in Hadoop and S3. And not just that, Apache Hudi also provides time travel, which means you can travel back and access the earlier version of your data if something goes wrong based on time or maybe the version numbers. So let's simplify it further. Imagine that Apache Hudi is a vast library of books where you want to keep the new books, update the older, and delete the older version of your books. So let's say you want to add some new book to your library. So with Apache Hudi, Hudi will help you find out the perfect spot on the shelf for your new book. Not just that, Hudi will also replace the old data with the new so that you always have the latest editions. What else? When the data is no longer needed, Hudi will remove it, keeping your data set clean. Guys, finding data in Hudi is fast because of the Hudi indexing, which is just like a library catalog. So Hudi maintains a lot of index file for that. Along with the index file, it also maintains the change capture log, which means it keeps a detailed record of all the changes, like a log of all the transactions that has happened. Guys, Apache Hudi is a very advanced and automated system to manage vast amount of data that is continuously changing. So I hope you like this video. So for more such video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. So stay tuned. Let me see you in some other videos. Bye bye.